In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to best Stremio alternatives if add-ons stop working in 2026. If Stremio add-ons stop working, or you simply want a backup option ready to go, there are several strong alternatives worth knowing about. Each one has a slightly different focus, so the best choice really depends on how you like to watch and organize your media. In this walkthrough, I'll cover some of the best options and explain what each one is best suited for. First, Kodi is one of the most popular alternatives. It's known for being highly customizable and supports a wide range of official and community add-ons. It also works well for local media playback, and with compatible services, it can support live TV too. Kodi is a great fit if you want a flexible media center that you can tailor to your preferences. Just keep in mind that because it offers so many options, it can take a little more time to set up and customize properly. Another strong option is Plex. Plex is especially useful if you have your own collection of movies, TV shows, music, or photos and want to stream them across multiple devices. It also includes free ad-supported movies and live TV channels, which can be a nice bonus. Plex is best for people who want to access their personal media library from almost anywhere in a polished, user-friendly interface. Jellyfin is also worth considering, especially if privacy and control matter to you. It's a free open source media server that gives you full control over your media without requiring a subscription. That makes it a solid choice for users who prefer a self-hosted setup and want an option that is both flexible and privacy conscious. MB is another media server alternative that offers media organization, remote streaming, and device syncing. It includes both free and premium features, so it can work well whether you want a basic setup or more advanced tools. MB is ideal for users looking for a polished experience with optional upgrades. If you want something simpler, VLC Media Player is an excellent lightweight option. VLC supports nearly every audio and video format, and it can also stream network content and internet radio. It's best for local media, playback, and simple network streaming, especially if you don't need a full media server. For Windows users, Media Portal can turn a PC into a home theater system. It supports live TV, recordings, music, and video playback, making it a practical option for a more traditional home theater setup. Finally, Universal Media Server is a good choice for simple home media streaming. It lets you stream media from your computer to compatible TVs, gaming consoles, and mobile devices over your home network. If add-ons stop working, having one of these alternatives ready can save you time and keep your viewing experience running smoothly.